In this video, we're going to learn what a redirect rule is in Requestly and how you can use it to redirect network requests in your browser or even across your entire system. It's super handy for real-world use cases like swapping out API URLs, loading local scripts, serving mock data for testing, all without touching your app's code. In Requestly, you can create redirect rule using both the Requestly browser extension and the Requestly desktop app. Each comes with its own pros and cons. If you want something lightweight and quick for testing inside the browser, then the extension is a great choice. But if you're a power user who needs features like Map Local, which lets you serve local files as response, or if you want to redirect requests made by desktop or mobile apps and inspect them using the Network Inspector, then the desktop app is the better option for you. Now let's walk through how to actually create a redirect rule in Requestly. If you're using the browser extension, open the Requestly web app. Otherwise, launch the desktop app. Click on the Rules tab, then click the New Rule button and select Redirect Request. Then, define the source condition. It tells Requestly which requests should be redirected. You can match requests by the URL or the host, or even use wildcards and regex for flexible matching. Then, set the target URL. This is where you want to redirect the request to. The target can be another URL, like a staging or dev server, or a local file if you're using the Requestly desktop app, or a file uploaded to Requestly's file server. Then, give your rule a clear and descriptive name, something that helps you remember what it's doing. You can also filter the source condition based on advanced filters, like resource type and request method. And if you want, you can also combine multiple pair within the same rule. Let's do a quick example. We'll use our demo website for this. First, open Chrome DevTools and navigate to the Requestly tab. Then refresh the page so Requestly can start intercepting the traffic. Now, click on the JS filter to view only JavaScript requests. Let's take the first JS script from the table. You can either copy its URL and paste it into the source condition in the rule editor, or you can directly create a redirect rule from the DevTools itself. Requestly will automatically select the source condition based on the script we chose for the target URL. I've already hosted an alternate JS file on another server that simply triggers an alert saying, "Original script has been redirected to a new JS file by Requestly." Now click on Save Rule. That's it. You've successfully created your first redirect rule. Now to test it, go back to the demo website and refresh the page. You should see the alert pop up. After clicking OK, you'll also notice a widget from Requestly confirming that the rule was applied successfully. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.